being that it's coming up to Christmas, I thought we'd show you how to make a bit of dip. All you need is a bit of full fat sour cream and a packet of the taco seasoning. I didn't have any on hand when I'm making this one, so I used a bit of the light sour cream, so that end product ended up being a bit watery. Learned from my mistakes. Still tasted good. Texture not quite there. We're here on location. Michael's put us up for lunch at his fine establishment here. I've just taken over his barbecue to make a bit of dip. And what you need is a sour cream. You can use fat sour cream, but light sour cream is, well, I'm nearly cracking the ton, so I don't want to go past that. So, you get that, you get your spoon and you spice for tacos. This might be a struggle actually. No, we're in.